Hello everyone, it's Danielle with the Victorious Planner and welcome to my channel. In today's video, I'm going to be opening up a mini Happy Planner haul with you guys. So recently the Happy Planner had a 70% off sale and I just couldn't resist some of the items I saw for just such an awesome price. Plus I also was able to use some of the points that I've earned. If you guys have not heard of their Happy Rewards, I think is what they call them, you need to sign up for those, especially if you order Happy Planner products a lot. They're really generous with their reward system, and so it's pretty easy to gain a lot of points and then use those for future orders. So with the 70% off sale plus my points, I think I spent almost $15, most of that shipping, on what's in this beautiful big pink envelope. So let's go ahead and open it up. I'll show you the things I got. I am loving this, that it came in this. This is so pretty. I think this is probably the smallest order I've ever gotten directly from the website. And I have never received one in an envelope like this. I think usually because they come in boxes, but this was super fun. I can get it open. I probably should have at least had it somewhat open. At least we know it's shipped very safely, right? Also, it's kind of funny. I had my husband grab the mail on his way home from work, and so he was walking inside with this huge, shiny pink envelope. Okay. Oh, yes. All right, so this is awesome. I love when they do this, throw in just a little extra sticker. It just says the Happy Planner here, super cute. All right, this book, you guys, most of you probably have it, but I don't have it yet. And when I saw that this was on sale too, I just couldn't pass up an opportunity to get it. So I will be adding this to my book reading list, if you will. I'm in the middle of reading so many books, but this one's going to be awesome. So super excited, had to get that. And then this filler paper, this is awesome filler paper. It just has a square up here that says today, and then dot grid on the side and some lines underneath the square. And I think the back, yeah, the back is just lined paper. I just love using the filler paper for all sorts of things, so I try to get packs of that along the way when I can. And then this is super cute. So this is now going to be my third pen case, I think. Yeah, third. And the only reason I have two other ones is because I recently won Oh Really Ilana's giveaway, and two pen cases were in that. But this one I just love because it's black with the white. It says Dream. Actually, it says Dream on both sides. It's one of the snap-in ones, and I think the other two are the elastic band and not the snap-in. But I just wanted to add this, and for just a few dollars, it was hard to pass up. And then finally, the main thing that I saw that I wanted is a new planner. And I mentioned this, I think, at least once in one of my recent Plan With Me videos, but I am switching up my lineup. I'm a little late to switching it up. I know a lot of you switch it up right before July because there's a lot of July start planners, like this one in particular. But for whatever reason, I just kind of delayed. I think I was really trying to push through and go the whole year using the lineup that I chose at the very beginning of the year. But the one thing that I really was wanting to change was my social media planner. I was using a vertical classic Happy Planner for social media, and I wasn't loving it. I mean, I'm loving the planner, don't get me wrong, but the layout for me wasn't the best for social media. I had before that used a dashboard layout for social media, and I just have been wanting to go back to that. I was still going to try to make it through the end of the year, but then when they had this sale and this planner I saw for $8.99, I was like, that's it, I'm switching it up. So this is 12 months, started in July, will go through June of 2022. So I'm a little late because I'll be starting it in August. It's August already, so I'll be starting it now. But I I just couldn't pass it up for that. And it's a pretty neutral layout planner. So let's take a quick look at it. 21, 22, it says this is your year. And then it has black discs. They're just the plastic black discs. And then let me take this off. And you probably have seen this planner already because obviously it's been out for a while. But just in case you haven't, we'll do a quick little flip through here. Our name page, hello, and our calendars. And these are really pretty. There's definitely some color on it, but it's very neutral tones, browns and creams. You know, the light pinks. All right, and then here's what the currently page looks like. So there's some color on the top, but pretty neutral overall. And the dividers in this are pretty just basic, which I kind of like. I mean, I love the really beautiful elaborate ones too, but these ones are just kind of basic. And so this is, you guys, going to be my social media planner. So here it is, the beautiful dashboard layout. I, of course, will switch up these, giving them my own headers. How I used to do it, I don't know if I'll do it exactly the same way, but I love to have this page with lists and goals. So like a list of YouTube videos that I want to shoot or film, and then a list of Instagram pictures I want to take, a list of IGTV videos I want to make, or reels. Now I haven't done too many of those. I want to get into doing more of those, but that's what I love to use this page of a dashboard layout for with social media. And then over here, be more specific with what's being posted on each day of the week. So I'm super excited to get back to this sort of layout for social media. All right, and in August we have a beautiful rose color. This is like rose gold. That's so pretty. And then September, October, sorry, November. Kind of awkwardly flipping through that. That's cool. It has the number of month behind it. And we have December, January, February, March, April, May, and then June. And I'm for sure at this point planning on using this through the end of the year for social media. We'll see what amazing planners Happy Planner comes out with in their next release. So I may or may not be, changing it up for 2022, which crazily enough is just around the corner. And I think the back of this is just the two colors. Let's take a peek. Yeah, just the two colors. So pretty basic planner, but I think it's really beautiful. Do any of you have this one in your lineup? If so, I'd love to hear from you. Comment below. Even if you don't have it in your lineup, shoot me a comment below. And thank you guys so much for checking out my latest Happy Planner order with me. Super excited to have these products and super excited to read this book hopefully sooner rather than later. All right, well, you guys, thank you so much, and I'll talk to you in my next video. Bye.